Today, liners, in this video lesson, we'll be having the sum and the difference, the double, and the half-angle identities in trigonometry. So the formulas are all here. Now let's have one problem that will represent and show all the formulas that summarized here. We have this problem. Given cosine A is negative 24 over 25, A is in quadrant 2. Cotangent B is negative 12 over 5, and B is in quadrant 4. Find the tangent of the quantity A over 2 plus 2B. Now you see, this is a sum. We will use a sum identity here. So let's just write it down. Tangent A over 2 plus 2B. So you're adding two angles here, this one and this one, for tangent. Let's see the formula to use. Tangent A plus B is this, so you're using the plus, okay, meaning the plus here, so the plus here, and in the denominator it's the minus sign. So tan of the first plus tan of the second, all over 1 minus the product of the two tangents. So we'll just write it here. So I have here tangent of the first angle, which in this case is A over 2, plus the tangent of the second angle, which is 2B, all over 1 minus the product of those two. So we have here tangent A over 2 times tangent 2B. So this is what we need. We need to get tan A over 2 and tangent 2B and plug it the value, so we will get here and evaluate. Okay, now let's focus first in getting tangent A over 2. So you notice that tangent A over 2 is a half angle whose the half of double this angle, you get the angle A, which is what's given to us, because A is negative 24 over 25. Now looking at the half angle formula for tangent, it's here. So tan theta over 2 is this. Either we can use this one or this one, no problem, get the same. As you can see, this is an identity. So I'll use this one, so this one. So tangent of the half angle of theta is equal to 1 minus cosine of theta over sine theta. So we have here, this is actually equal to 1 minus cosine of A all over sine of A. Let's check. We have here 1 minus cos theta sine over sine theta. So we have here. So now this is cosine is already given. That's negative 24 over 25. So let's write it. So we have 1 minus negative, that becomes a plus 24 over 25. Now sine, so we know if cosine is negative 24 over 25, therefore sine A. So remember your Pythagorean triples. So we have 24, 25, this must be the largest. So we're missing the other, which is 7. So sine is 7 over 25. And take note where the angle lies. A is in quadrant 2, therefore this is a positive. Sine is a positive in quadrant 2. So we have here in the denominator 7 over 25. Okay, so just simplify this. So 1 plus 24 over 25, this will give us what? 49 over 25. Denominator, we have 7 over 25. This cancels out, leave us with 49 over 7, or simply 7. So now we have this, tan A over 2. So let's write it here. So we have this is 7 plus tan 2B, we'll do later. Tangent A over 2 is 7, and then tan 2B, we will do it later. So remember, tan A over 2 is this. 7. So we'll be having tan 2B the next. Okay, so I'll just erase part my solution. Okay, now we will focus on getting tangent 2b. So we have here tangent 2b, and notice that tangent 2b is a double angle of angle b. So where's tan 2b? So we use this one. Tangent 2b, so this alpha, 2 tan alpha, 1 minus tan squared alpha. So tangent 2b will be 2 tangent b over 1 minus tan squared b. But what we are given here is cotangent. So good thing it's now easy, because cotangent and tangent are reciprocals. Therefore, tangent would simply, so let's put it here, and tangent of course is the reciprocal of cotangent, which is negative 5 over 12. So we simply put it here, that's 2 times negative 5 over 12 all over 1 minus negative 5 over 12 and squared. This would be negative 5 over 6 over 1 minus 25 over 144. Okay, so simplifying, this would be negative 5 over 6 all over 1 minus 120 minus 25 over 144. This would be 119 over 144. Now simplifying this, it's simply negative 5 over 6 times the reciprocal, which is 144 over 119. So we would get here negative 120 over 119. So this is the value of tan 2b. We put it here. So negative 120 over 119. So let's see if it fits. Negative 120 over 119. Again, let's just erase part of our solution. Now we have all that we need to evaluate the sum of the tangent of the sum of the angles a over 2 and 2b. So this is 7 minus 120 over 119. Of course, that will be 119 here. So 119 times 7, that's 833 minus 120. The denominator will give us with 1 plus 7 times 120 over 119, that's 840 over 119. Just simplify this. Okay, 833 minus 120 is 713 over 119. Denominator, this would be 119 plus 840, that's 959 over 119. Say 119 cancels out, and 713 over 959. Let's see if it can be simplified further. Not anymore. So 713 over 959. So this is it. Okay. So just remember that to use the formulas correctly, applying, especially if there is a case that you have to determine which of the signs to use. It depends on the condition of where your angle is located. So that's it for the day. Good day, liners.